If you want to achieve the perfect tile at home without breaking your flooring, or don't want your kids running around on slippery floors, then Wilcon has the perfect tile for you. A safe, durable, and easy DIY flooring project. Hey home shoppers and builders, welcome to another video of Wilcon TV. I'm Mark, and today we'll be talking about these functional rubber tiles from P.tech. These type of tiles are specially made with high-quality materials, including rubber particles, rubber powder that can withstand heavy impacts. They also come in compression and impact resistance, shock absorption, anti-skid, large friction, and water-resistant features that ensure long-lasting use, giving you new appreciation for areas of your home. These useful rubber tiles are perfect for high-traffic areas, including gyms, indoor playgrounds, shop floors, and many more. It's available in two colors, blue and yellow. You'll need 4 pieces of these tiles to cover 1 square meter of space. They're environmentally friendly and odorless, thus ideal for a clean, safe, and sustainable home. These P.tech rubber tiles are very easy to maintain and install. No need for any glue or adhesive. To set up these rubber tiles, here are the essential materials you'll need. Utility gloves, heavy-duty cutter, rubber mallet or a hammer, and a damp cloth. They're very easy to install with just 2 simple steps. The first step is preparation. Ensure that the surface is flat and smooth. And if your flooring has holes, make sure you patch and cover them up. Sweep the floor to remove any debris, and then mop dry your floor before laying the tiles. If you want to set them up permanently, you can use construction adhesive. Second step is placement. Find your base. The best place to start is where the longest straight line in your space is. You can easily work from there throughout the whole area. To secure the tiles, give it a light kick into the wall and it grows. To reshape the tiles, cut them by overlaying a full tile, then score the under tile along the overlap line with a heavy-duty cutter. Pull the short end piece by the wall and place a whole tile to the gap, then use a rubber mallet or hammer to secure it in place. To keep your cut smooth and accurate, change the blades every 3 to 5 cuts. Finally, to keep your tiles clean and fresh, wipe it using a damp cloth. See? It's quick and easy. Get the ultimate safety, comfort, and convenience with P.tech rubber tiles. Shop P.tech rubber tiles exclusively at any Wilcon Depot store nationwide. You can also order at your nearest Wilcon store or shop conveniently at the comfort of your home through our browse, call, and collect or deliver and Wilcon virtual tour service. For the list of participating stores and their contact details, check out the description box below for the link. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wilcon TV, and of course, hit that notification bell to be updated to our newest products and other helpful home solutions from Wilcon Depot. Stay safe and see you in our next video.